folks, Aaron here. I've got number 721 ready. This is an alto ukulele, and the top, back, and sides are some beautiful Mastergrade Myrtle. Been trying to get somebody to choose this set of Myrtle for 5 years, and I'm glad I finally found the right person for it. Very curly, very colorful. So I chose nice pistachio to go along with it. Wanted to kind of continue this theme, like it looks like it's growing as it goes up the instrument. Then some salvaged cypress and maple for the neck. No binding or anything on this one, it's got a low G. Yeah, and all Myrtle instruments, they sound traditional, you know, like the Alto or all mahogany instruments, but the Myrtle has just a cheerfulness that I appreciate. Anyway, yeah, it's very lightweight, very playable. I'm excited to pass it on to its new owner. 721, ready to go.